My name is Emiel van der Staak. I'm chef owner of restaurant De Nieuwe Winkel. I'm going to share you the story about this dish. It's impossible to see on the camera, but this is the Koji pudding. And what is nice to know, there is this culture, this mold, that under the right circumstances produces lemon flavor, but not just a little bit of lemon flavor, like this really hard, acidic lemon flavor that you know of lemon acid. And that's what we use to flavor this millet pudding in combination with Japanese knotweed. That's one of those plants that people are actually fighting against. It's called invasive, but it also tastes really nice. It has a taste quite similar to rhubarb. So we use the Japanese knotweed to make a puree, and then we finish it off with poppy seed sauce. The poppy seed sauce is made by putting the poppy seeds in the wet grinder, which is a machine with big stones rolling around for over 40 hours, and then you end up with this really smooth texture. And that's how we make the basic sauce of the poppy seeds, and we add some glucose to that and also some licorice, and then you end up with this beautiful black sauce and the white pudding and the Japanese knotweed in the middle. If you can't beat it, eat it.